SKB 3500, which is kind of underpowering them. I know I need more. But like I said, this is a first time build of this size.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
So what's your name, man, and what's in here, man?
Joe, I've got two Scar ZVX 18s in a fourth order, a 2-to-1 fourth order. Box designed by Drew Jones. My son and I built everything. I got a CS 270 under the hood. Pushing the subs is a Scar SKB 3500, which is kind of underpowering them. I know I need more. But like I said, this is a first time build of this size.
Okay.
So,
very nice.
So I think we're doing okay.
Are your subs, do you know the ratio on the fourth order?
It's 2-to-1.
2 to 1? Okay. Got it. Awesome. Are you still working on sealing off around the edges too,
Yes.
you think? Okay.
Yes.
And you got your back seats. Awesome.
Yeah,
All right.
AC.
Yeah, and AC, yep. Very nice pillars too.
Yeah, those are actually custom speaker pods.
Okay.
For the bottom and for the that side is actually on their website.
Okay. Sweet. Very nice. So I'm sure your next plan is, I guess, to seal off.
Yeah, well, we're actually thinking about upgrading to a B pillar.
Yep.
And doing 2 more of those ZVXs.
Oh, so you're gonna go back even more, right? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
What's going on, everyone? This is JACOBVILE. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Joe's bass system. 2 18s in a fourth order. Of course, it is a walled C-pillar, but he hasn't sealed it off all the way. This was at the local Jacksonville, Florida show, Summer Showcase Showdown in 2021, getting to upload it. So go ahead and give Joe a like if you haven't already. He's done a really good job showcasing it at the show. And comment, give him some positive feedback you like about his system. I like the way he has everything carpeted. Makes it a little prettier look, aesthetic look instead of just that wood look. And it kind of has everything laid out. And having another baffle for the amplifiers to actually mount on behind the box instead of on that actual baffle layer in the back helps with vibration issues, and it makes it cleaner look, and you can run the wires behind it and have everything hidden. So whoever built that and designed it did a really good job laying it out and everything. Lastly, he has seats in the back, so it is actually more family-oriented bass system. Back seats allows for more room. Of course, it isn't going to show as much justice on the video with the bass flex, but it does get pretty loud and efficient for only that 3500 watt amplifier. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos. And anybody watching that's new, hope you're enjoying the video. Comment if you ever have any questions about anything. I'm glad to reach out. Enjoy.
Awesome. Okay.
Reach. the diamond necklace. Got a pint size vodka drink and you're pretty getting pink. Wanna go get breakfast? So you ain't never been to Waffle House. Always hanging in guys and guys. Put you in the Chevrolet and we shot to the mall. Came to the club and I got my famous jeans and a DT. Status, for Beverly Hills. Got more pounds than a sucker in the boy. Me a rich girl like it looking over the Hollywood Valley, I'll make the balloon pop. Pop stars like you need a dude like me to appreciate your dreams. How long you got the elevator in your house, but with me you appreciate the steps. Act like you don't ever see how much it is Jack Daniels you can get. Live in the bed, try your daddy, let them all take me. Got a pint size vodka drink and you're pretty getting pink. Wanna go get breakfast? Rich, peanut butter guts and a Lamborghini. You must have white bread. Let's make a sandwich. I ain't never seen money like you got. Nobody got that kind of money. So if you take me up and show me the balcony, looking over the Hollywood Valley, I'll make your balloon pop. Appreciate it. You got the elevator in your house, but with me you appreciate the steps. Act like you don't wanna see how much it is Jack Daniels. Rambo, and you can try your
Really good bandwidth too.
Yeah.
It doesn't really fall off until like probably low 20s.
Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So I'm sure your next plan is, I guess, to seal off.
Yeah, well, we're actually thinking about upgrading to a beat pillar.
Yep.
And doing 2 more of those ZBXs.
Oh, so you're gonna go back even more, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo. What was your name?
Joe.
Joe. Awesome.
Joe.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.